So the pulpit, which was installed when the chapel was opened in 1879, was given in honour of the first principal, Edward Wilson, and there's an inscription around the base which shows that it was given by his son, James. It's an interesting thing because it was also quite a challenge to describe, because the wooden cornice around the top's not wooden, it's stone. And then you have 5 figures in deep relief. The central one is Jesus with his crown of thorns and the halo around him, so depicted in glory. And either side of him are the 4 evangelists. It stands on 7 pillars, which is marble of a kind. I think it's Pulvash marble. Interestingly, one of the challenges in describing it was to find a way of describing the frieze around the base, which look rather like reamers or lemon squeezers. I think in the end we called them deeply fluted pellets.